Larte Design's pink carbon Escalade. When subtle isn't enough, German tuner Larte Design has taken the already imposing Cadillac Escalade to a new extreme with a complete pink carbon fiber body kit. The 17-piece modification isn't about performance. It's about making a statement, a very loud one. The Escalade's bold makeover for over 2 decades, the Escalade has been an automotive symbol of size and extravagance. Larte Design's kit doubles down on this, trading the typical blacked-out aesthetic for an unapologetically bright pink carbon finish. The kit includes a modified front splitter, grille surround, and a vented hood, all designed to grab attention rather than improve aerodynamics. From hood to tailgate, pink everywhere, the pink carbon fiber extends across the SUV's exterior, with new wheel arches, side mirrors, and door trim. Larte also added a roof-mounted spoiler and a matching pink carbon diffuser, ensuring the rear end is just as flashy as the front. The tailgate gets pink accents too. Why pink? The motivation behind this extreme makeover is unclear, but Larte Design caters to a niche market that clearly demands attention. In a world of custom cars, some buyers want something that stands out even further than standard modifications. This kit is for those who think the Escalade wasn't loud enough already. The pink carbon fiber Escalade by Larte Design is a testament to the fact that some people want their luxury SUV to be as visible as possible. It's not about speed or efficiency, it's about making a statement.